Rick from Meduza in Leicester. I hope you're having a great day today. Today we're going to talk about this Mitsubishi Evo X that we had in December to have the Varis version 3 wide body kit that's just come out in Japan. Well, as you can see, this is beautiful red colour. Came in as a basic car to us, and we fitted the front bumper, side mouldings, canards, a carbon front splitter. But we had to go into detail for this customer. He didn't want any of these room type bolts going onto it. These we had to keep as these are the fasteners for the bumper, but the rest was all supposed to be bolted on. We had to flat and flush these out for the client. As you can see, loads of carbon on this car, downforce, windbreakers, whatever you want to call it, but it looks fantastic with this carbon on. Complete front wings that we feathered into the edges of the original front wings, and we've had to cut them all out to allow for the new wide 10J wheels on this vehicle. And then you're going on to these carbon type side mouldings with side skirts, well, side skirt with carbon on top of the onto the front wings, and you've got rear door panels as well, which we've had to cut out and make it look original. It's all been done here by us at Meduza in Leicester. And again, onto the rear quarter finishing panel there. Complete rear bumper again, flushed out rivets, all gone, that we've flattened all out for this particular client that wanted it like that. Yes, it gathers a lot of stones when you drive it. Carbon pieces there, we put these nice anodized red bolts there for him. And then you can see underneath this track style carbon fibre diffuser, which has had custom made brackets to keep it onto the car, onto the rear bumper, to keep the back end of this car down when it's doing some speed. As you can see, this car looks fantastic in this almost candy apple red looking colour. Lots of carbon fibre on this vehicle, as you can see. Proper JDM lifestyle vehicle this is. True enthusiasm for the Mitsubishi forum or Mitsubishi people out there. As you can see, it is a fantastic looking car in the flesh. It really does turn heads. I mean, I've been out in this vehicle, it drives fantastic as well. Obviously we built it so it's going to drive fantastic. As you can see, again, Mitsubishi Evo X Varis version 3. This is a 2012 model vehicle. Again, anything similar. This is Ben Haig, who owns this Mitsubishi Evo X with the Varis 3 wide arch body kit on it. He's come to collect it here today. Ben, what do you think of your vehicle?
It's looking like a monster now, that's for sure. So, looking epic.
We've had this car here for what, 3 months, Ben?
Yeah.
Has it been worth it though?
Yeah, definitely say so. Yeah.
I bet you're happy to get this back now, ain't you?
Oh yeah, totally missed it. Pride and joy.